As coronavirus cases continue to skyrocket in the U.S., Americans are debating mask mandates and the reopening of schools. The United States recorded a total of over 70,000 new COVID 19 infections on Friday, after climbing by a record 77,499 a day earlier. U.S. deaths on Friday rose by at least 912, the fourth day in a row that daily fatalities have exceeded 900. Americans have become divided along political lines over mask orders, with conservatives more likely than liberals to call the rules a violation of their constitutional rights. In the state of Georgia, Governor Brian Kemp sued Atlanta's mayor to prevent her from mandating masks, while at the same time encouraging Georgians to mask up.
And while we all agree that wearing a mask is effective, I'm confident that Georgians don't need a mandate to do the right thing.
Likewise, President Trump told Fox News on Friday he did not believe in implementing a national mask mandate. On the other hand, Dr. Anthony Fauci, the nation's top infectious disease specialist, urged political leaders to take a stronger stance.
I can say as a public health official that I would urge the leaders, the local political and other leaders in states and cities and towns, to be as forceful as possible in getting your citizenry to wear masks.
With schools set to resume in just a few weeks, local officials across the country have announced a variety of plans to resume teaching. Chicago Mayor Lori Lightfoot announced a plan to offer both in-person and remote instruction at the nation's third largest school district, over the objection of the teachers union, which wants remote learning only. California Governor Gavin Newsom, who until now has allowed school districts in the nation's most populous state to set their own policies, said on Friday schools could reopen only in counties that for 14 days have stayed off a worsening trends watch list. The United States has been averaging about 60,000 cases a day in July, with cases rising in 41 states on Friday, based on a Reuters analysis. Texas and Arkansas reported a record number of deaths on Friday, while Kansas, Ohio, North Dakota, Arizona, North Carolina, and Puerto Rico reported record numbers of infections.